everyone. I wanted to make a video to talk about number 18 from worksheet 7-7. Anytime a student writes that a question was difficult for them, I try to make a video, hopefully you've gathered that, make a video to explain that particular problem. I also make videos to explain problems that anyone missed. So I had already done a video to explain all of the problems that were missed on 7-7 when I looked at it the first time, but not each student had finished yet. So I wanted to just add this one, number 18, which is actually a really good general practice problem for this type of problem that I'm sure will show up on the test. So number 18, you get a figure like this. So you have the circle, and we are trying to find the area of the shaded portion. So the first thing we need to do is find the area of the entire circle. The area is pi r squared. They give us the radius, which is 3. 3 squared is 9, so the area is 9 pi. Okay, that's the area of the entire circle. Now we need to figure out what percentage of the entire circle this little pizza slice is. When you have a 90-degree angle, it's always 1/4 or 25%. So without even needing to do any calculations, if it's anything other than 90 degrees or 180 degrees, you'll probably have to do a quick calculation. But we know that 90 degrees is 1/4 because we could break it into 4 equal parts. 90-degree angles, right? So, okay, that means that we need 1/4 of this total area. We can do that in several ways, but I'm just going to show you the way that I do it. So I would say 9 pi over 1 times 1/4, which equals 9 pi over 4. So that is the area of this pizza slice. Now we need to subtract the area of the triangle from that so that we're left with the shaded area. Now to figure out the area of a triangle, it is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so we have 1/2 times, this base is the same length as the height actually, so we get lucky in this one. We don't have to do anything to figure out the base and the height because it's given. So 1/2 times 3 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. So 1/2 times 9, what's 1/2 of 9? 4.5. Okay, the area of this is 4.5. So what we need to do is take 9 pi divided by 4 minus 4.5. And let me double check that I got that right, because we are supposed to calculate it for this one and round it to the nearest whole number. Yes, okay, so these last 3 we need to calculate and round to the nearest whole number. So I'm going to pause it because I can't take 9 times pi. I can't do that in my head. So I'm going to pause it and do the calculation. We'll see what we get. Okay, when I took 9 pi divided by 4 minus 4.5, I got 2.57, and it asks for the nearest whole number, so that rounds up to 3. So the answer is 3. This area is about 3 units squared. And that's what it says the answer is in the book, so it looks like we did it right. Hopefully that helps a little bit. The more practice, the better on those problems because they're pretty repetitive, but some of them require a bit more work than others, depending on what is given and what is not given. So please let me know if you're still struggling with those types of problems because I can definitely help and we can do some more practice together. So far, all the people who have turned in answers for 7 and 8, it looks like that must have been an easier assignment for everyone because we got all correct, the 2 people that turned it in already. So I'll check again tomorrow and see if anybody reports difficult questions that they would like to be explained. But so far so good, and I just want you guys to know that I'm really proud of you.